Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how you can clear browsing history on your iPhone. So for that, go to Safari. From here, on the bottom right corner, you can see the second button, which is your bookmark option. So tap on that, and here is your history. So from here you can clear your history easily. So if you want to clear today's history, then tap clear and tap today, and it will delete all your history. So if you want to delete all your history, then tap clear and tap all time, and your history will be clear. So yeah, this is how you can delete your history. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.